Guys, let's cheers. Let's drink tea. Today it's very cold day. So ayan guys, I need some hot tea. Today it's so cold. The weather is so sad and cold. Ayan guys, I made my ginger tea. O diba? Para it's better. I don't know guys, I really feel sad. I really feel tired. So tiring today. O, di ba? Emote, mga kalindog. Ayan, so, what is the news, guys? Hi, my dear. Hello to all my members. And hi, my car, Baker's Talk, Ken Allen, and, who's that? A king, my king, Hippo King, and of course my who's that all, and who's that who's that I forget everybody, guys. I'm sorry if I forget you, but guys, I miss you really so much. Ayan, but don't worry, we will see you soon. But I'm not tired no more. I'm really tired. Look at my face, oh guys. You see, even I'm really tired and even I'm really work too much. Ayan. I need to take a rest, really. You know, guys, social media is tiring. Really tiring. Social media is not healthy. They give you always the stress, sadness, and I don't know, social media, guys, if you wanna be take what do you call that? If you wanna be oh, sorry. I forget what I need to say. Okay. If you wanna my car, what is this? I forgot already what I'm gonna take. Okay, I'm gonna tell. So if you want a peace of mind, ayan, please keep distance for this social media. Social media, you see TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. You see, look at me, guys. Almost 1 week, no social media. You see? I'm still fresh. Fresh and beautiful. O, diba? Charot lang. Guys, but I really do miss you. Ayan. No, really, guys. Ayan. The social medias make me stress. You so stress. And it's not really healthy. Remember that, you know. Because somebody there basher. Somebody there is inget. Somebody there is a marites. So that's why, guys, ayan, enjoy life. Life is too short. You need to only enjoy. Ayan, enjoy na lang natin, guys, yung life. Ayan, ang YouTube is only for fun. Ayan, TikTok is only for fun also for the sugar daddy. Ayan, my sugar daddy is all there in TikTok. Thank you. Ayan, thank you. My papi. Ayan, daddy. Thank you for the